Welcome back to Dad's Expensive Hobbies, the channel where we bring scale collectibles to life. Today we're taking a closer look at one of the most legendary cars in movie history, the 124 scale Jada Fast and Furious 1970 Dodge Charger. Let's get it spinning on the turntable and see why this one's an icon. Right away, that glossy black paint grabs your attention. It's sleek, mean, and true to Dom's Charger from the big screen. On the hood, the massive chrome supercharger sticks out like a crown jewel. Those triple red intake scoops instantly tell you this is built for power. Take a look at the side profile. You can see that wide stance and those deep dish chrome wheels with low-profile drag tires. They fit the aggressive style perfectly, and that little RT badge on the doors is a nice touch that grounds it in Dodge muscle heritage. Now, check out the interior. Swing open the doors and you'll see a stripped-down racing setup. Jada gave us bucket seats, a detailed steering wheel, the roll cage, and even the gear shifter in the center. It's all finished in black, giving that race-ready feel, just like Dom's Charger, where it's all about performance, not luxury. Moving to the back, the tail lights stretch across the width of the car, just like the real Charger. The chrome bumper ties it together and adds that shine. But open the trunk and you'll see one of the coolest details. Dual nitrous bottles sitting side by side, ready to feed this beast extra horsepower. That's classic Fast and Furious style right there. This Charger is more than just a car. It's a symbol of family, loyalty, and horsepower in the Fast and Furious franchise. Every time Dom gets behind the wheel of this black beauty, it reminds us why the Charger became an instant legend. So whether you're a Fast and Furious fan, a muscle car enthusiast, or just a diecast collector who loves quality builds, this 124 scale 1970 Dodge Charger from Jada is a must-have piece for your collection. So that's all we have for today, but next time here on Dad's Expensive Hobbies, we'll be checking out Shaw's Lamborghini Aventador from Jada's Fast and Furious series, so be on the lookout for that one. Now, if you enjoyed this showcase, make sure to check out our other videos here on the channel, and until next time, keep diecasting and God bless.